Reading the Kid's Guide to Canada Map. Basic tools. When you first open the Kid's Guide to Canada Map, you see what we call the map dashboard. It contains two things, a map of Canada and information about the map, and the tools you need to read it. It might look slightly different on different devices, but everything will work just the same. On the left side of the page is an information sidebar. This gives information about the Kids Guide to Canada project and basic instructions on how to read the map. As you read down, you'll see that the same information is given in French. When you want to read the map, you can hide this information panel by clicking the arrow tab halfway down the page. Now you'll be able to see a complete map of Canada with all kinds of colored dots or buttons scattered everywhere. Each of these buttons is linked to an artifact created by students to introduce you to their local neighborhood community. You can click on any button to see what each class of students has posted. When you do, an information box pops up on your screen. This info box gives information about the class that posted the artifacts and links to artifacts that they have shared. You can make this box a lot larger by clicking on the small Maximize button in the top right-hand corner. When you click the Maximize button, the info box will open up so you can see the entire entry and it's easier to read. Or you can simply use the scroll bar on the original artifact information box. At the top of the info box, you will see the name of the school and the grade of the class. As you scroll down and read the information box, you will also see the Indigenous territory or treaty lands on which the community was built, a short description about their community, and if you read carefully, you will see the topic and language of the artifacts the students have posted. At the bottom of the info box, you'll find links to any photographs this class has submitted. And halfway down the box, you'll find any links to artifacts the class has posted on their own site, like a class or school website, a class blog, a video channel, or a website like Book Creator or Padlet. It will always say more info, and that means there is something for you to click and look at. Sometimes at the top of some information boxes, you'll notice it says something like 1 of 9 or 1 of 5. This means that there are 9 or 5 different artifact entries in the area you have clicked. There might be artifacts posted by different schools in that same area, or artifacts posted by different grades or classes in the same school, or there might be artifacts on different topics posted by the very same class. So you need to make sure you use the forward and backward arrows to look through all of the artifacts the school has entered. All of those artifact buttons on the map are color-coded by grade. So if you'd like to find all of the classes in a certain grade, you'll need to check the Legend tool in the top left corner of the map to find out what color dots you're looking for. By clicking on the Legend button, you can see the color button for each grade. A few of the older grades have the same color but have a different shape. What does the button look like for the grade that you are looking for? Which is the only grade that gets a star? Now you know all of the basic steps you need to know to read the Kids Guide to Canada interactive map effectively. We hope you have a lot of fun exploring the map and learning about all kinds of communities across the vast landscape that is called Canada. You can also learn some very fun, fabulous, and fantastic things from the map by learning how to use some of the more advanced tools. Check out Reading the Map Using Cool Tools on the Kids Guide website.